Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a elementary science class for class 4 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 1 broad question. Let's see today's topics from here. Our today's topic is chapter 1 broad questions from 1 to 3. In our previous class we have finished our short questions and answers. Today we will do broad questions and this is lecture number 4 and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 3 number SW. So dear students, let's begin the class. You can see I have written here broad question 1, 2 and 3. Here is broad question 1. Question is here, environmental changes can be caused by natural disasters and human activities. How have humans changed environment? Answer is the growth in human population needs more food, shelter, land, energy and other resources. To get more natural resources, people have destroyed and changed the natural environment. For example, people have cleared forests for land to cultivate crops or livestock, for food and to build shelters and roads. The loss of forests causes the destruction of the habitats of plants and animals and its extinction. It also can soil erosion and landslide. It also can soil erosion and landslides. Now broad question 2 number broad question. Question is here, plants need sunlight, water and air in order to make food. What will happen to the green grasses if we put a brick on them for some days, and why? Now answer is here, the green grasses will turn yellow if we put a brick on them for some days. Plants make their food through photosynthesis process. Plants need sunlight, water and carbon dioxide of air in order to make food. Among one of the most important elements for making food is sunlight. If we put a brick on green grasses, these will not get sunlight. For this, photosynthesis process will be hampered and green grasses will turn yellow. Here is the picture of this, that if we put a brick on green grasses, it will become yellowish like this, because it will not get sunlight properly. Now BQ3 broad question 3 number. Question is here, environmental changes can be caused by natural disasters. How living things are being harmed by environmental changes? Answer is here, environmental changes can be caused by natural disasters and human activities. Natural disasters such as drought, flood, storm, earthquake change the environment. Humans have been cutting down trees to use as fuel or building materials. Human is also changing environment to get natural resources. The environmental change can affect the changes in rainfall and temperature. The changes in rainfall and temperature may cause different types of natural disasters. The natural disasters cause serious damage to human life in many ways and to the habitats of all living things. So dear students, this was your today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 3 number SW. And your SW will be broad question, one number broad question. Here is 3 broad questions and answers, and your SW will be only these 1 number broad question and answer. And students, remember, when you will do your SW, please write down SW number on top of your SW copy, and here you will write down date also. Okay, so this is, if this one is your page, then you will write like this. So your SW, I am repeating your SW, 3 number is broad question 1 number. Broad question 1. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice this at home and do your assign SW in your SW copy and submit your SW on every Saturday from 9 am to 4 pm. So dear student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.